everyone, welcome to Neelunco's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about SEO, search engine optimization, and its counterpart, SEM, search engine marketing. So what is SEO? SEO, to put it in very simple terms, is the method of making your website searchable and easily findable on Google. That is what SEO is in a nutshell. Before I go further into this video, I would like to remind you to like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos from Neelunco. Alright, so SEO, like I said earlier, is the method of making your website. So as the name says, search engine optimization. So you're optimizing your website to make it easily findable on Google. Before you ask, is SEO important? Yes, SEO is extremely important. Everybody searches for everything on Google. And if your business does not come up on the first page, then what is the point? So yes, SEO is extremely important, and reaching out to a marketing agency like ours is going to help optimize your optimize your website and find better results through SEO and SEM. So what are some of the methods to optimize your website? So there is something called keywords optimization. So keywords, it's nothing, it's not rocket science. It's basically the words or the phrases people use when searching for a product or service that you are selling. So Salwa Kameez boutique near me, or wealth management services, or in my case, divorce lawyer near me. These are the terms people generally use when they open Google and search for something. So as a business owner, you need to know what would people be looking for. What are the words that people will be using when they are searching for you or a business like you. And then you insert these keywords on different parts of your website. This is what we call on-page SEO. So on-page means you're doing it within your website. It could be something as simple as optimizing your image, inserting these keywords in the URL, inserting these keywords in blog post. If you are an e-commerce website, you will be inserting these keywords in your product description where you're listing your products, so on and so forth. Then there is off-page SEO, where you are externally linking your website. An easy example is Quora. So Quora, as you know, is a website or a platform where you can ask any question and people will answer them for you, right? So you can, as a business owner, go and answer some of the questions that is relevant to your business and then sneakily insert a link to your website. So when someone clicks on it, they are taken to your website. This is what we call off-page SEO. So your SEO strategy should be a combination of both on-page SEO and off-page SEO. What we have to remember when it comes to SEO is that unlike social media marketing, which is kind of fast-paced and you tend to see results rather quickly, SEO takes a lot of time and patience. At Neelunco, we generally ask for a 6 months retainer when it comes to SEO marketing because it's a time-consuming process. There are a lot of things that we have to do at the back end of your website and, like I said, externally to start seeing results. Now let's say you do not have the patience of waiting for 6 months and you want to see faster results. You want search engine results, but you want it to be faster. That is where SEM comes in, or search engine marketing. This is basically the paid version of SEO. Let's say you went on to Google and you searched for Mexican restaurants near me, or a Mexican restaurant in Delhi. Google is going to list certain Mexican restaurants, but you will notice that there will also be listings of restaurants with a tiny button or a tiny text saying ad. So that's basically SEM, where you are placing Google search ads or display ads and asking Google to list your company on the first page when someone searches for your product or business. So SEO and SEM both are beneficial, both are a good strategy to have as a part of your broader marketing strategy. But it's slightly technical. It's not something that everyone and anyone can do. When it comes to SEO and SEM, it's always best to reach out to an agency like ours because we have the practical experience of working with different clients who are a part of different industries, and also we have the resources that you as a business owner might not have. Our contact information can be found in the description box below, Like I said earlier, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. I will see you soon with another informative video on digital marketing.